Just come on to this website, pick any product that you like depending upon how much money you want to make, copy this link, use this awesome tool to create yourself some awesome designs, then come over here and follow me along and start generating hundreds of dollars every single day. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate $761 per day on complete autopilot with this new beginner-friendly method online. But guys, before we move any further, I want to give you guys a small disclaimer that the following video is going to be in a step-by-step manner. So if you skip any step, then I cannot guarantee that this method will or will not work for you. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's jump into step number 1. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to dgstore24.com. Now guys, dgstore24.com is gonna be the platform that we're gonna be using for this particular method. Now what is dgstore24.com? Now guys, dgstore24.com is basically an affiliate marketplace through which you can actually get yourself a lot of affiliate products and a lot of affiliate commission for free. Like, you don't need to pay any sign-up fee whatsoever. You can get started right away with this method. Now over here you can see that they have been given a 4.5 out of 5 star, and then after that you have, like, you know, some more features over here, some more things as well. And over here you can see that they have a huge affiliate marketplace. They have vendors, they have affiliates, they have up to 85% and more in commissions with conversion optimized products. So guys, what else do you need as an affiliate? Because like, honestly, having products like these is heaven for an affiliate. So now click on start. Now it's free to sign up, and then from over here simply like fill out this form, and then once you fill out this form, after that register for absolutely free now. And I'm gonna catch you guys in step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, once you have signed up successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here you have a lot of things in front of you, and you have to keep track of all of these things once you have your business as an affiliate marketer set up. But for now, you can essentially, you know, just keep track of a few things and you'll be good. The first one is basically your gross revenue. This is gonna show you how much money you are making overall from your sales, from your affiliate commissions, from basically everything that you are working on, and then your earnings per click. Just keep track of these two things, and as long as they are higher than your expenses, you will be good to go. So now what I want you to do is click on marketplace from the top right corner, and then click on all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Once you do that, you will see all these offers come up in front of you. So over here you have a products basically, like, you know, offering 85% commission, 50% commission, 80% commission, 65% commission, and much more. Now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply type in over here recipe. Now once I type in recipe, I can essentially see a lot of different recipe books come up that I can essentially sell as an affiliate, and whenever people buy these books, I can essentially make 30% in commission from this product, 50% from this one, and then again 50% from another one. So guys, like, that is a lot of commission. Now if you are interested in some other niche, if you have a big page, if you have a big following in some other niche, you can actually explore different products from the left side, essentially, you know, depending upon what you want to go with. But this method is for absolute beginners. So like, if you don't have any following whatsoever, you can follow me along and you will be good to go. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply take a look over here at the bottom. You can see the price this product is going to sell for, and you can see how much money you will make per sale. So guys, now if you are happy with the commission and with the earnings, you can essentially pick this product. But I'm going to pick this product because this product is going to pay me $10 in commission actually. So like, that is going to be far better than just $3. So I'm going to click on promote now, and then there is your affiliate link. Simply copy that link, and you can even go to your own affiliate link to actually see what it looks like. So I'm gonna go to mine now, and it is gonna load up in just a second. So here it is. Like guys, honestly, this looks pretty nice so far, because like, I've seen some very bad affiliate pages And let me tell you, this is one of the good ones, because like the bad ones, they are really bad. Like they almost get 0 to none sales, and this one is actually pretty good, so you can definitely rock this particular product. Come back, copy your affiliate link again, and just so you're sure that you actually copied it, and then simply move on to step number 3. Step number 3. So in step number 3, I want you to come on to canva.com. Now guys, once you come on to canva.com, from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply type in over here video, and then after that simply click on the first one. Now once you do that, after that you will see a lot of these templates come up. Now guys, what is Canva? Canva basically lets you make these videos quickly without any complicated tools and stuff. So like even if you're a beginner, you will have no problem getting started on Canva. So I'm gonna basically look for a particular template that is in the food niche. Now guys, the reason I'm choosing for a template in the food niche is because my product is basically a recipe book, so I have to find a video relevant to that product. I'm gonna pick this one because I think that this is pretty nice. So once I do this, after that I can already see that this looks really nice and everything is on point, but I'm gonna remove this text. Simply click on the text, delete it, and then after that simply keep the logo, maybe like make it a bit bigger. You can even change the text over here, but I'm gonna just leave it like that. You can like type in anything else, but for now I'm gonna leave it as it is. So like honestly, this looks really nice, and you can even move these arrows around. You can even move this picture around as well, but I'm gonna leave things like this for now because this honestly looks pretty amazing. So like once this is done, I can essentially simply click on the top right corner and click on download. But guys, if you want to add something, simply take a look at the left side. You can add elements, you can add a text, you can add shapes, you can add graphics as well, like essentially anything that you want over here on Canva. So like definitely be creative and definitely explore on your own, and you will eventually land upon some great designs. Now what I want you to do is simply click on the top right corner where it says download, and then simply download this onto your computer in the form of an MP4. Now once this is done, once this blue bar reaches till the end, after that this is going to be downloaded onto your computer, and I will catch you guys in step number 4. Step number 4. So in step number 4, I want you to simply come on to youtube.com, and I want you to simply click on the top right corner where it says create, and then click on upload video, and then after that simply upload the video that we just created from canva.com. Click on select files, and then simply upload that particular video over here. Now simply come back to DG Store, and then from over here simply copy the title of this product, paste it over here, and then after that again copy that link, paste it over here, and type in buy right now at a discount through this link above. So like once you type in this, after that simply like click on next, click on no it's now made for kids, click on next again, next again, next again, and then simply publish this video by clicking on public. Now guys, this video is gonna get a lot of views because this is in the cooking niche, and honestly having a thumbnail like this is gonna get you a lot of clicks. Now once you do that, people are gonna click on this particular video, and they will definitely reach out to your affiliate link, and you will see a lot of commissions stacking up in your DG Store 24 account. So guys, like that is how you can essentially like start making money and generate hundreds of dollars every single day once you have multiple videos and multiple products all available online. So guys, this was the method, and I hope this video helped you out. If you guys faced any confusions, any problems whatsoever, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will be sure to answer all your questions. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Till next time, goodbye.